I'll guide you through how to take note on ClickUp. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to the ClickUp website. Choose to log in or sign up if you're new. Enter your email, check your inbox for the verification code, and input it. Once verified, you'll be taken to the start of setup. Select how you plan to use ClickUp, whether for work, school, or personal productivity. Then choose what you'll use it for, how you discover ClickUp, the tools you commonly use, and what features attract you. Next, enter your workspace name. Once your workspace is created, you'll be shown 4 brief intro videos about hierarchy, tasks, views, and inbox. Watch them or skip if you prefer. After that, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. Now, click the 9-dot icon on the top right corner and select Notepad. From here, you can immediately start typing your notes. It's perfect for jotting down quick ideas, reminders, or meeting minutes. You can even convert any note into a task or document with one click. Simple, fast, and efficient. That's how you take notes on ClickUp.